Hello, Adi here from AMG Safety. Hope all is well. I just wanted to put a short video together talking about our Patron-Pledge. This is a business to customer agreement. So if a person needs a haircut at a hairdresser's and there's been a pre-booking, the business can send the customer a link to the Patron-Pledge, which is a short questionnaire with 3 questions, and the questions are covering coronavirus symptoms for COVID-19, the 4 common symptoms, and the questions are basically asking, have you got or had any of these symptoms within the last 14 days? Have you been in close contact within 2 meters of anyone showing these symptoms or that's been confirmed within the last 14 days? And then question 3 is, you agree, by completing this pledge, you agree that you will abide by our rules and restrictions for social distancing in our workplace. It's an agreement based on trust. It's the way I roll. Now it can be completed online on mobile devices. You just need to send a URL link directly to your customer within 24 hours of their appointment. Now the Patron Pledge can be found online on my website at amgsafetyltd.com. If you go to the social distancing page and scroll down to the bottom, you'll see all the links there and a good explanation on the course. It's been received very well by existing customers and new customers alike. Different businesses and some businesses have been sending it to their clients and customers, and they've all found it very good. It provides reassurance to both parties, rather than asking someone before they enter the building premises. This is a short questionnaire that can be carried out online before the person arrives. There's an instant certificate at the end, and yeah, it looks pretty good. Good luck with it. Check it out, and if you could email me any feedback or questions or concerns, my email address is info@amgsafetyltd.com. I look forward to hearing the responses, and hopefully we can push out the Patron Pledge and it will just help businesses and customers. Thank you for your time.